Now, the Jamaica Olympic Association has responded to a story aired by TVJ Sports on July 21, examining funds being routed through the Jamaica Football Federation to the Cavalier Under-17 and Harbourview Under-10 teams as they travelled to play in 2 youth tournaments overseas.
The Jamaica Olympic Association, which has still not granted a request from TVJ Sports for an interview on the issue, said grants made to the Jamaica Football Federation, which was acting in the interest of 2 clubs with members of the Jamaica Olympic football team, were not in breach of the Olympic Charter. The JOA, which has not disclosed the amount of money provided, also reinforced that it did not disperse funding to any of the football clubs, Cavalier SC or Harbourview FC. TVJ Sports did not report that the JOA dispersed funds directly to the 2 clubs. The JOA added that it has provided funding to athletes under the Olympic Solidarity Program whose requests have been furnished by their sporting body. The JOA stated it is also not uncommon for the JOA to accommodate requests for assistance made by athletes of clubs, which requests are made through their national federations. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.